you are going to love the 2026 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control, electronic stability control, brake assist,